Okay, it's a new year. Have you been eating right and working out, but maybe still not losing the extra weight? Well, if you're tired of the struggle, there's a brand new procedure that promises surgical results, but without the surgery.
All right, let's learn more about it. Board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Forrest Roth with West Ave Plastic Surgery is here to explain how BodyTite and FaceTite works. You had me at hello.
Yes.
Okay, BodyTite, FaceTite, what exactly is it?
So it's surgical results without the surgery done by radio frequency in the clinic. So it can only be done by plastic surgeons.
Okay.
And it's a wonderful procedure to get all the benefits of a tummy tuck or facelift without going to the operating room.
So it's also going to tighten the skin, which I think there lies the difference, right? We're talking about any other procedures that's done sort of like that. You still can be left with that skin kind of just hanging there.
Exactly. For the first time since last year, we're now able to tighten the skin instead of just reduce volume. So now we can do both.
Well, and show us, Dr. Roth, what is this animation showing? Because it looks like there's heat that's underneath the skin.
Exactly. It's a lot like a flat iron for your hair, but think of a flat iron for your skin. It heats and tightens the skin and fat under the skin. Then we liposuction the melted fat, then tighten the skin over the surface.
Whoa.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's super cool.
I know.
Talk to us about any sort of like downtime, or what would the person feel and experience in their bodies after this procedure is done?
So you're awake during the procedure. Afterwards, you go home, and there's very little pain because we have a 3-day pain medicine that gets injected everywhere we work. And so for 3 days, you're numb, and then after that, there's just not that much pain at all. There's a little bit of swelling for about 2 weeks, and then you're back to normal.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we want to look at some of the before and after pictures, and let's talk about the targeted areas. So of course we're talking abdomen, thighs, inner thigh, right?
Exactly. Whoa. Definitely abdomen, thighs and arms, back, love handles, face, and neck.
Dude, those
How
like the
long?
ab area, that's a big difference right
This
there.
is a huge difference.
Yes.
And for any of these kind of mommy makeovers, when that skin is stretched, and it will not, no matter how many crunches you do, Dr. Roth, it's never going to change, right?
Look at the chin right there.
Totally.
So true. And you know, we used to only be able to get these types of results in the operating room. Now we can get them in the clinic in the matter of an hour or two.
Okay,
oh gosh.
The before and afters, that is super dramatic. But like this woman here with the before and after chin issue.
Yes.
How long do the results actually like stay intact? Is this something that someone needs to do frequently to have this kind of result?
So the results are just as permanent as a facelift. Normal aging will occur, but over 5 to 10 years.
And so it's one procedure, 45 minutes, or would you recommend, would somebody, I mean, obviously case by case, but
yes.
Would somebody go back in for a second one?
Usually not.
Okay.
So it's usually one procedure and you're done. It takes about an hour per body area. So
okay.
Maybe an hour for the face and neck, an hour for the abdomen, an hour for the love handles and back.
And are there any areas that can't be treated? I'm seeing here on my card that there are multiple areas in the body.
So we avoid the ankles and lower legs, but that's about the only exception.
But like upper thigh and hips and all of that you could do?
Absolutely, especially the inner and outer thighs.
Okay.
My mind is blown. That is unbelievable. Okay, let's talk about the special offer that you have for our Houston Life viewers. I'm going to put it up on the screen, but talk to us about that.
Great. So for the first 100 callers, they get 20% off, which is significant. It'll add up to thousands of dollars. Most of the procedures are between $4,500 and $5,500 per body part, and you can do several all in one session, which is wonderful because then there's just one recovery.
Yeah, you're not going back and forth.
That's
You're
right.
having to deal with that.
And a minimal recovery at that, and because the results last so long, you break that down over 10 years?
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
Dr. Roth, thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.
And to learn more about Dr. Roth's special offer, you can call 713-559-9300 or log on to westaveplasticsurgery.com. Dr. Roth also included his email address there too, and it's drroth@me.com.
Great to see you.
Thank you.
Maybe I should do something about this.
Don't look down.
I think we should.
Okay, still ahead on